the cherry blossoms, small and all alone. No mother's arms to hold him, no gentle whispered tone. At Ichikawa City Zoo, he looked for warmth and home. Tiny fingers curled around a plush he'd never known. Soft fur like a memory, something to believe. In a world so full of noise, all he had was make-believe. Eyes that spoke of longing reach across the world unseen. A baby heart in search of love, chasing down a dream. Punch the monkey, hold on, little heart, you taught us how to love when the whole world fell apart. When all we had was hope and a toy to hug at night, you showed the pain of loneliness and how we must unite. Punch the monkey, hold on, you're not alone tonight. They brought him close to others to learn the truth's embrace. But sometimes hearts learn harder in that crowded space. Older hands pushed gently, confused by his sweet grace. So he ran back to comfort, to that soft familiar place. People watched in silence, millions from far and wide, seeing in his quiet cling a broken, beaten pride. A world so quick to judge, we stopped and saw inside a simple truth about ourselves, where all our feelings hide. Punch the monkey, hold on, little heart, you taught us how to love when the whole world fell apart. When all we had was hope and a toy to hug at night, you showed the pain of loneliness and how we must unite. Punch the monkey, hold on, you're not alone tonight. Oh, what is love if not the hand that reaches out, the whispered word of kindness when you're lost in doubt? If punch can keep on trying even when it hurts the most, then maybe we can change this world from coast to distant coast, where millions stop to comfort what once went unseen. We learn that every creature feels the need to be redeemed. From cages to companions, from heartache to embrace. Love knows no boundaries, no color, creed, or race. Punch the monkey, hold on, little heart, you taught us how to love when the whole world fell apart. Just a tiny touch of kindness is a blister in the night, but it lights a hope inside us with a soft and shining light. Punch the monkey, hold on, together we'll be alright. So hold your plush close in the dark and cry if you must fall, but know that love is everywhere, the greatest gift of all. Punch the monkey, show the world no creature stands alone. In heartache we found solidarity, in brokenness we've grown.